with some things that he needs. He doesn't know that we're here, but that's what we do at our church. We support one another, and here we go. Oh my God.
Do we need a basket?
I don't know what the basket is.
Oh, up here. And what we'll do is we'll let them know we'll grab a couple of cases of water and let them know, so that way they can go ahead and charge us for them, and then we can just go get them, carry them out, because
real bad. We need a real basket for water.
Yeah. This is my favorite store. Really? Okay. So let's look for honey buns, and this way, honey buns and oatmeal pies. Go to your, oh yeah, there we go. So there goes some glazed honey buns.
It looks like it's only one.
Huh. Oatmeal cream pies.
Okay, there's no oatmeal cream pies.
They're normally really good at having some oatmeal cream. They may be on another aisle. Go over this way one more time. No, not on. Oh, here we go. This way. Pop-Tarts. Okay. So I guess we're out of the oatmeal cream pie.
We can replace it with the Lay's chips that he loves.
You know?
And besides the oatmeal
Oh, Gatorade. It's not the G2.
So, are we gonna get?
Does he like those or like the little ones?
He normally gets the little ones. Well, he usually has both.
Fruit punch, orange.
So what do you think?
It's a cold one, they go for.
More? Another one?
Maybe. Which one does he drink the most of? Or it
He
doesn't?
always have a variety. It's never just one.
Gotcha. All right. So now we go get the chips. Left. Keep going. One more aisle. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. There's a family size.
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, because I was on
All right, so we got honey buns, we got Gatorade, we got Lay's chips, and then water. So if you
the water.
keep going, it's gonna be either Nestle or Zorka, right?
Right. It will not be that. Well, Nestle is right here.
There we go.
They try to influence you to buy better in the water.
Here we go.
They don't normally always have a lot of them.
There it is, right there. Pure Life. Oh, that was Splash. Pure Life right there. Okay, well, and let's switch, because you already got the basket. Really, you gon' no? You can't do this and that. Come on, Superwoman. My goodness. You see that? She won't let me grab nothing. She won't let me hold nothing. She just got it all. This is what happened when you put Superwoman in the church. Okay, here. I'll grab this and you grab this. There we go.
Sure.
Oh.
See how pretty she is?
Is it weird I carry my kid like this? That's what it does. That's what it is. So I'm really excited about surprising our members. We like to do things for our members to celebrate them You know, Sparkle is her own businesswoman. I'll tell y'all, I used to go buy some of them cake pies. Extra strawberry. You know, we celebrate our deacons, our pastor, members of the church, because that's what we do.
Hi, Autumn.
Oh, all right. Now we can switch because you the woman with the money.
I am.
So how are you doing today, Miss Autumn? Oh, wow.
She knows that she's coming
Yeah, it's completely gone. I'm so sorry. I hope you feel better. How many more?
We're at 16:22.
Okay, so I'll grab another bag of chips and some more Gatorade.
Cool.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna go grab some more. Alright, so let's see. We'll grab Cool Blue Gatorade and let's see, Cool Blue and a fruit punch. I'm so happy it has handles on it. Right, let's get the other side to this. Ah, there's the handle. Alright. Now for some more chips. Aha! There we go. Got one more just in case. Alright.
She comes in here a lot, talk about you.
Uh-huh.
And I said, for what? And she said she gets a lot of Reese's.
Okay, so sometimes they're for me, but we all know that our pastor is a Reese's addict. And this location always have Reese's. They're always in stock there. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Okay. Oh, I went super over? Oh, okay. So here, if you would like to hold this, I'm going to go put this back. Have fun.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, man. Well, I'll have to wait for Deanna to get here to help me.
Alright. Let's roll. So I'm going to grab these.
Girl, if you don't give me that water.
I got it.
Okay.
Turn it towards us. So we're going to go make sure we to one of our favorite members. We will talk to y'all later. Have a good one.
That's why I come in to be a fan. Thank you.